Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. And part of my Black Friday series, I am doing some videos on some accessories that I like for Black Friday and that are on good sales right now. And this is a few bucks off at Best Buy. This is the dbrand Ghost case. This is for the iPhone 17 Pro. I did have this case for the iPhone 17, or sorry, the iPhone Air when I had the iPhone Air. But as you guys know, I did sell that phone about a month ago now. And this was one of the cases that I missed from that phone that I actually did not pick up for quite a while just because Best Buy didn't have them for a little bit, and I, just got around to buying one. So we're gonna take a look at this one, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. Pick this up for Best Buy. They have their Black Friday sales going on already. I will leave a link in the description. I'm assuming they're probably going to be on sale for most of the holiday period. So if you're not, you're watching this just after Black Friday or, right before Christmas or something like that, I'm guessing they're probably going to be on sale for a little bit. So we've got this nice dbrand packaging here. And then we have the Ghost case. One nice thing about these cases is they're guaranteed never to yellow. They have a lifetime warranty. And you can't even see the camera cutout or the camera control cutout because there isn't one. It's just a straight pass through, and it blends in very nicely with the edge of the case. So you can't really, tell. You don't have a big cutout you have to pass your finger through or anything like that. It's just straight up built into the case. I've got this one. I think this is a Spigen clear case right here. So there's kind of the difference between the two. Go ahead and take my Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Air, or iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro out of the case that it was in, and go ahead and slide it into this one to show you how easy it is to get it in here. No issues whatsoever. I have an ESR screen protector on here, glass screen protector. Sits pretty flush with the edge. There's a slight raise, but no issues with the compatibility of the glass screen protector. One thing I like about the Ghost case is it covers the camera plateau. So you can still see everything. Your Cosmic Orange iPhone or whatever color iPhone you have is still very visible. But, especially on these iPhone 17 Pros and Pro Maxes, you don't have to worry about the edges of the plateau scratching or anything like that. You've got the full MagSafe right here, as opposed to one biggest thing I have, like the OtterBox Defender I have right here. You can see it does not have the full MagSafe ring. It's missing the little alignment piece down here. So if you have some heavier MagSafe battery packs or accessories like that, usually that little circle on here is not enough to hold those. I found that out with the iPhone Air MagSafe battery and the Defender on the iPhone Air. It didn't stay on there. But this allows it to have that little extra oomph that you need for batteries and stuff like that. It also keeps accessories aligned and straight on there, and it keeps them from rotating side to side. So it's nice that it has the full MagSafe ring and array right there. So very nice case. You've got your button right here. The buttons are really easy to press. The only gripe I had about this case when it was on the iPhone Air, and I'll have to test this out on the 17 Pro to see if it's the same, but when I picked the phone up, the buttons are actually so easy to press in that I did find myself mispressing the buttons a lot, whether that be when I was using the phone and I accidentally would turn it off or put it to sleep, or when I was just picking the phone up from like a table or something like that, I would constantly wake the phone up. But the iPhone Air's buttons were a little bit thinner, obviously, because it was a smaller phone. So we'll see if that changes on the iPhone 17 Pro from the iPhone Air. And then, like I said, you have your camera control right here. You have your full zoom and everything like that. It works very, very well. There's no effort whatsoever to get it to, react and respond. Very responsive, no issues at all with that pass-through. Actually, this is one of my favorite ones because, like I said, you can't really tell that it's there. It blends in very nicely with the side of the case. So that is the dbrand Ghost case right there for the iPhone 17. They also have it for the iPhone 17 Pro, the iPhone Air, and some other models like Samsung Galaxies as well. I'm going to leave a link in the YouTube shopping section here to Best Buy where you can pick this up because they are running some Black Friday deals right now, like I said. So check it out there, supports the channel, and you can get a good case for yourself. Or if you know somebody with an iPhone 17 or Galaxy device, you can always pick them up a nice little Christmas gift. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.